Hey guys, how's it going? Jed Scott here, and today we are doing something pretty funky for my brother. What's behind me is an old Dodge truck that's been sitting for over a decade. And in this episode, you're gonna see us get it running, and we're gonna go get it cleaned up just for my brother, because it's gonna be his new daily driver. So stay tuned and check out this ultra rare one of 70 made in 1976 D100 half-ton 440 automatic. Cruise control, AC, every option you can ever imagine on a pickup truck. Super rare, badass, and we're gonna bring her back to life for my brother, the daily drive. Stay tuned, I'll show you more. We got her loaded up.
12,000-pound winch on it, heavy duty trailer.
And I know it's loaded backwards, but it was the only way we could load it. There was just no way to physically get the truck turned around in this little space to get the engine up front, but we got what looks like plenty of tongue weight, but we'll find out on the way home. Holler to the car wash for Michael, get all this dirt and moss and ugly shit and washed off, and see that beautiful original mustard yellow paint. So I'll see you guys once we get down to the car wash, and we'll have a lot of fun there because we're gonna see what's underneath this paint or underneath this crap and get this truck looking like it used to. It's been sitting for over a decade. Michael just got done sudding down his truck. He's gonna get the little brush. Look at that, it's in there squirting. Look at that. They're gonna look at the action on that some gun. But unfortunately, the little plastic funky sister loving whatever's broke off. So, one of them broke off, so we peeled the other one off. So it looks like a normal truck again. I kind of like them in a weird way. But Michael's gonna sit here and scrub a dub on this truck and make it look nice and pretty. Yeah, you get in there real deep, boy. Yeah, you get in there real deep. Look at that. Yeah, scrub it. Oh yeah, scrub. Okay. Look at that. It's like a color instead of moss. Dang on. Things are looking good. That is for sure. Oh, that is wood trim. Look at that. Oh, you gotta love the 70s. Ah, I'm getting wet. Fuck. Ooh, pretty. Oh, there she is, all shiny and cleaned up and no longer sitting in our buddy's front yard. Are you happy with it, Michael?
Yep, just gotta get her going.
I don't know if I can hear you. Dad, what do you think about it? Yeah. Polished a turd? Still a turd. We polished that turd.
Really? While I'm drooling water all over me.
What'd you say, Dan?
I didn't notice all that.
That's because the moss was covering up, but we can get some Bondo and just...
I ain't bondoing shit.
Oh, we got it cleaned up. Looks a whole lot better. It's got paint underneath. What a deal, what a deal. Door shuts nice, that's always a plus. Well, there she is. Another project vehicle. Are you happy now, Michael?
Hell yeah. Finally got her fired up.
Got her fired up. We got almost 80 pounds of oil pressure and idle. I'll tell you what we did. We took this piece of shit right here. You see this thing? This thing right here. It's right there. Now we ain't got no Holly. We got her. That's my satellite's old 750 Street Demon. Came off our jet boat. Perfect. .440's alive.
Hell yeah. Now I gotta put buffers on.
It's running on the exhaust back here. But I think it's just through flow and shit. What, idle? That's pretty low. We'll have to idle that up a little bit. But she's running finally. The demon tweak here was we had to change the oil pump, and thank God big block Mopars are easy. Let me get underneath here. See that gold oil pump? Whoop. That gold oil pump was off of Jezebel's old 440. When I had the stroker built for Jezebel, my machinist asked me, do you want that old oil pump? And I was like, hell yeah, that thing was brand new. I'm glad I kept it because that one that Michael had that came on that truck wasn't working at all. So now she's alive. Oh yeah.
Carburetor.
Yep.
Oh, way to go.
I'm a Holly guy still. Get a screwdriver so we can idle this up. Flathead. What's your thoughts on it, Michael?
Not thinking at the moment. It's running.
Not thinking at the moment.
Right there.
Huh? I don't know. I saw that smoke earlier. I'm not sure. Man, it sounds like a turd. It sounds okay.
Dead spot.
Yeah, I got a massive dead spot. It's probably that fuel filter we put right before the pump, because it's completely full of shit. What do you think about it, Dad?
Right here running. Demon carburetor.
That idle shit's right where it belongs.
No, not in 100 pieces yet.
Oh yeah.
With a 12-pound sledgehammer.
How about we go get some of that, what is that, thermite? What is that stuff you get at the gun store?
We could use it. We could use it for a target practice.
Tannerite.
Yeah, we'll go get some tannerite, stuff that carburetor full of it. Boom! Right where an Edelbrock belongs. You guys can't tell, we don't like those things.
I just gotta get that dead spot cleaned out, but I just might do it because it's carbon.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a lot of it's that bottom fuel filter.
Who knows where your time is at?
And I don't know what tank I'm running off of. The gauge is still saying E.
Yeah.
Oh,
But she's running, guys. What are you about to go do, Michael?
unload this thing.
You're supposed to say, I'm about to drive my truck.
Drive it.
Are you gonna go to Disneyland?
You betcha.
Woo! She's been sitting for 10 years. 10 whole freaking years. Michael and I just finished. We got the carburetor changed out, put on some thrush welded mufflers, which are some of our favorites. Give it that nice deep rumble. Sounds good, Michael. Like I said, I could hear something sitting there kind of dragging.
Yeah.
Are you pretty happy?
Yeah. You got a little over 60 pounds of oil pressure right now.
Jezebel's taking care of you, Michael. Her old pump. We need to check all your fluid.
Yeah.
What a deal, what a deal. We got kind of a temporary exhaust situated. And she is smoking a little bit. Like I said, she ain't been running 10 years. Definitely ain't been drove in 10 years, so definitely needs to be run and get cleared out. Hold your horses, don't go anywhere, because I got something very cool for you. Stay tuned. Just had her first fuel up in over a decade. Running like a champ. Now we are in Old Banana.
Old Banana.
Your truck's been named now, Michael. Banana. Banana. Could be the top banana. Hey now, starting to act a little funky.
Yeah.
But this is the true first drive, like actually leaving the house.
That's right.
We do got a little floor ventilation down there behind the what turns out to be house carpet. So it's pretty nice, pretty nice.
Very nice.
Hey, see, take a look. We're Flintstoning it a little bit. First drive in a decade. She's doing pretty good so far.
So far.
We gotta fix the windshield.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Turn signals, do a little brake work, fix the Flintstone floorboard. I think Old Banana will be running good. Sorry, Michael. You didn't get a choice in naming your truck.
That's alright.
Everybody told me my Magnum is now called the Condom.
Oh, yeah.
It makes sense. I never thought about it, but oh god. Back at the house. I guess we're gonna have to get this thing ready to go to Michael's house. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, that was scary. She died. Wonder how the fuel filter looks. Dad, for whenever you watch this video. This thing shuts nice. I guess it's not a Dodge, it's a Deh. It's a Deh. The Deh. It's a Deh D100. Oh, so first drive was successful.
Yeah.
Michael got his birthday present early.
Yeah, the fuel filter's getting full of shit again.
Is it already full of shit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's more. It's a good thing you bought like 5 fuel filters.
I know. I gotta see if the old man wants to haul us to Pomona or wait for another day.
Well, if we wait for another day, I can fix your 4 during the week.
Yeah.
That was your first drive, guys. Actual first drive. For real.
They missed the one. Yeah.
Yeah, they missed
Yeah.
the
One wheel peel.
Yeah, Michael. First thing he did after he got the transmission full was he backed out in the freaking road and just brake standed it.
Yeah. It was only about wasn't even a half throttle, and it broke them loose. Well, broke the one loose.
Yeah, it broke the 1 loose. We're gonna have to fix that.
Oh yeah, I gotta get out to David's and get that sure grip. Then,
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Oh yeah.
We definitely got a lot of work to do with Michael, but I think right now we keep changing that fuel filter. We should eventually get all the stuff reamed out of that tank.
Yeah, it'd be about like the old 84, though, hookers and blow.
What you're still building.
Slowly.
Michael just needed wheels to get rid of the anal probe over there. Or anal bead. What is it? Anal probe or anal bead?
Neither, it's a fusion.
Oh.
So it's an anal fusion.
Ooh. Yeah. All right, Michael, what do you got to say about your truck? Are you happy?
I'm happy, I'm thrilled. I'm ready to go drag racing down Main Street.
With your 1 wheel peel?
That's right. For now, I got a sure grip on that the guy gave me, so.
It's got a 9 1/4. We got a sure grip for it, so Michael's gonna be doing 2 wheel peels before we know it.
That's right.
So you're cool? You're happy?
Yep, thrilled, happy.
All right, well, Michael, you get to close it out for everybody.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, you're supposed to say like, comment, subscribe. What the fuck, Michael?
Oh, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, give it the big thumbs up. We'll talk to you next time.
Cool. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.